Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is Comprehensible Input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about animals. We will learn the names of many animals. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. This is a dog. The dog is a pet. The dog says, "Woof, woof." The dog is a friend. This is a cat. The cat is a pet. The cat says, "Meow." The cat is small. This is a fish. The fish lives in the water. The fish swims. This is a bird. The bird lives in a tree. The bird flies. The bird says, "Chirp, chirp." This is a lion. The lion is a big cat. The lion lives in Africa. The lion is strong. This is a tiger. The tiger is a big cat. The tiger has stripes. This is an elephant. The elephant is very, very big. The elephant has a long nose. This is a monkey. The monkey lives in a tree. The monkey likes bananas. This is a cow. The cow lives on a farm. The cow says moo. The cow gives milk. This is a pig. The pig lives on a farm. The pig says oink. The pig is pink. This is a chicken. The chicken lives on a farm. The chicken says cluck, cluck. This is a duck. The duck lives on a farm. The duck says quack, quack. The duck swims. Thank you for learning about animals with me. That was a great lesson about animals. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.